With Aluminium Industries expanding and growing, implementing Syspro was a great way to help aid the growth of the business. My name is Lee Brown. I'm the Chief Technical Officer at Aluminium Industries. Aluminium Industries started as an aluminium supply business. The owner, Jim, had purchased a new business called Pivotech, and they supplied and manufactured shower screens. We needed to look for a new solution to run our business as the current system, QuickBooks, wasn't allowing us to run multiple divisions.
Syspro's ability to allow our business to scale has been quite impressive. My name is Jacob Kowaleski. I'm the General Manager of Unbound Systems, which is a division of Aluminium Industries. We chose Syspro at the beginning because of a couple of key reasons. The first was its ability to handle manufacturing requirements. It's native in Syspro, it's no bolt-on, it's built on manufacturing principles. The second was that it can handle multiple divisions or brands under one company really cleanly. And thirdly, we had ambitions to start developing software in our business for our unique requirements, configurators, CRMs, everything. The only way we could do that is with a rich integration layer into the ERP. And we found in our research this was something that was quite lacking, whereas Syspro has a business object layer that is natively built in, and you know that it uses the ERP principles to communicate and push and pull data.
One of the big problems we had was administrating orders in the system, and by introducing an e-commerce solution that connected in with Syspro, we were able to get our customers to start placing orders for us. So that removes the whole administration process in our office of needing to handle or process orders through the system, and it allows for that bottleneck to be removed, and it just flows straight out to our manufacturing floor. We've now been able to triple the size of the business without employing more people in the administration process. With Syspro and its job system, what it's allowed our business to do is actually have more control over the manufacturing process. We now have bill of materials and labour allocations that relate to the job, and it allows us to then schedule in place that then allows for our orders to be delivered on time. It allowed us to control our costs better and also manage our labour. So one of the benefits that Syspro has is its inventory control. With its job system, we're able to issue materials straight to the jobs rather than it still sitting in inventory. So by having those better controls in place, it meant that we're actually invoicing all the orders that were leaving the factory and allowing for less slippage.
Being able to trust the on-hand figure means we're not going down to the shop floor to do a count. It means when we're speaking to a customer, we can confidently tell them that we have this good on hand or understand when we're getting more.
So it's helped us actually control our stock a lot better and reduce our inventory on hand, but also being able to have the stock on the floor for when customers need to order it. If we didn't have Syspro in our business, we wouldn't be able to deliver orders to our customers like we do today. So our customers have seen a noticeable improvement of our service because stuff's getting delivered on time. It's not getting lost in our system.
Syspro's support network has been fantastic at determining what function in Syspro can be used to achieve our desired outcome. When we speak to Syspro, it's evident that the team there understand ERP, understandably, but they also understand manufacturing and distribution. So they're able to connect the real world requirements with what's required out of the software really easily for us.
With Aluminium Industries looking to grow in the future, we're looking to purchase other companies and bring them into the fold. Having Syspro as our ERP system will make it very easy for us to seamlessly integrate them into our business.
I see Syspro as our final jump. We made this transition many years ago, and I cannot see a future where Syspro will not handle our growth and acquisition and expansion requirements in the future.